Welcome back to the NASCAR Cup Series for 2026. Today, Ryan Preece wins the 2026 Cookout Clash at Bowling Green Stadium. One of the first drivers to win the Clash before their first point swing. Like always, let's have a look at the top 10. Second, William Byron. Third, Ryan Blaney. Fourth, Daniel Suarez. Fifth, Denny Hamlin. Sixth, Chase Briscoe. Seventh, Austin Dillon. Eighth, Chris Buescher. Ninth, Ross Chastain. And 10th, Alex Bowman. Without Bloom drivers, Kyle Busch barely made it to the top 20, finishing in 19th while Ricky Stenhouse Jr. failed to make to the Clash. With Josh Berry and Austin Cindric making the Clash by being in the top 2 of the last chance qualifying race, while Alex Bowman made it in by points. Here's a photo of Kyle Busch and Austin Dillon today. Yeah, just hanging around to the In Bloom concert. And then, this happened. Other than that, the Clash is full of cautions and red flags. From red, crashes, spins, Kyle Larson almost DNF and even a spin from Connor Zilisch. For Deving's debut single release drivers. Well, Connor Zilisch. Yeah, he's in a selfie photo. I don't mean SVG spin from the Clash, but okay then. I don't think Ross Chastain was in cautions in this Clash. If you look at Denny Hamlin, he spun 3 times. And then Austin Cindric also spun twice in that race too. We all know he was thinking of. This was during the part when Austin Cindric was spun by another driver who was planning to go to the Devon's debut single release and at one point was leaving SVG.